Yes, you're more interested in the belly button than the rings. These are rings. Look. Rings for your finger, like Mama's rings. See?
Yeah, you see the rings? You want to see this one too? Okay. There's the ring. What letters do we see?
Belly button.
That's actually pretty good. Just throw it higher, and that's good.
What letters do we see?
Belly button.
Do you have a big belly button too? What's in? Oh, what are those?
Balloons.
Balloons? What's that?
Bear.
How do we say bear in Spanish?
Oso.
Yay! How do we say balloon in Spanish?
Globo.
Globo. Balloons in Spanish is globo. Can you say globo?
Globo.
Very good.
What else do we say? Hi, lady.
All right. 2-1.
What letter's that?
Will and Benny.
Take it off.
Take her pants off? No.